Hello everyone, welcome to the Phace Installations YouTube channel. This 2008 Ford Focus has DAB issues, radio reception's gone, stereo's not working very well, so we're going to replace it with a Pioneer touchscreen with Bluetooth hands-free, music streaming, DAB radio and of course a CD player. And it'll look a lot more modern than what it's in there now. Let's jump out and show you what we're going to fit. So the Pioneer AVHA 240 DAB, CD and USB socket as well. Right, let's get to work. Let's jump in the vehicle and show you what we've done. Look at that, so much more modern, touchscreen, CD player. Customer's going to absolutely love this. Start it up. So there's DAB, save the radio stations along the bottom. So we've got DAB, got radio, Bluetooth audio, you can stick a USB stick in if you want for music. Very, very smart.
Marking Newton Abbott. We've got free face painting for the kids, a great Easter egg hunt, stilt walkers, Playmobil mascots, and lots of fun for the grown-ups.
Got all your radio stations there, all the DAB stations.
And we've got loads of special offers on the day, like New Guinea Impatiens, reduced to just $2.49. Free Easter event this Saturday at Traeger in Newton Abbott.
I find this looks really, really modern.
This just in, folks. Another big brand steel's been nabbed online at tkmaxx.com.
Easy
Young
to
Jean's
use.
outdone herself here with a chic colour block midi dress for an astonishing deal. Ready for that sunshine? Head to tkmaxx.com for savings on amazing brands delivered.
A great addition to any modern car. Hope you like what we've done. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.